Hello friends, welcome to Info Loading. From now onwards, our videos gonna be more interesting, attracting and informative. Ensure that you all will like these videos. So watch this video till end and comment your opinion. Today in this video we come across about 6 brilliant inventions of Nikola Tesla that was destroyed. Why do soft drink bottles have 5 bumps at the bottom? And why we don't use diesel engine for bikes, and why does milk overflow when boiled? And what are these numbers written on every cylinder? Okay friends, let's begin in the video. Guys, have you ever wondered why there are no diesel bikes? Why diesel bikes are not manufactured? Today, in this video I will tell you the reason behind it. Diesel engine is usually larger and heavier than petrol engine. Also, it produces more vibration and noise than the petrol engine. So it's not possible for a small vehicles to withstand these vibrations and noise. Also, the initial diesel engine is higher than that of the petrol engine. This initial price difference is about 50,000 Indian rupees, which is not suitable for a small vehicles. Also, it creates more pollution than a petrol engine and its use is not good for the environment. So these are some reasons why the diesel engine is not suitable for bikes. But guys, do you know? We had one diesel engine bike and it was the highest selling in the world. That is none other than Royal Enfield. It was the only manufacturer to introduce diesel-powered motorcycle and the model was named Taurus. In fact, it was the highest selling diesel motorcycle in the world. Of course, some you are Royal Enfield lovers. Comment your favorite model in comment section. Have you ever wondered, why does milk overflow when boiled, while water does not? We have explained it very simply. You will learn this today. When milk boiled, the water or moisture in it, which boils at 100 degrees Celsius, becomes vapor. But it is trapped under the top creamy layer of milk. So, the vapor tries to push out, spilling out the milk, that is top creamy layer of the milk. In case of water, when it's boiled, vapor freely evaporates. That's spot on. There are many important things that we see in our daily life, but we hardly pay any attention to any of them. We will help you, make you more understanding of general things. Comment down in comment sections if you have any such doubts. All you need to do is type #AIL and type your questions. We will answer to those questions in upcoming videos. And third one, have you ever wondered, why do soft drink bottles have 5 bumps at the bottom? Whereas you will find flat bottom in normal water bottles, the bumps are not designed so to give it a fancy look, it's there for a very useful purpose. Most of the soft drinks or soda bottles are pressurized by filling gas, so the plastic bottle must be able to withstand the pressure. It should also absorb the shocks when you accidentally drop down the bottle. Hence, soft drink bottles have 5 bumps, also called corrugations, which increases the strength of the bottle and it's able to withstand the pressure of the gas inside it. This also increases the stability of the bottle. The fourth one, in today's time, gas cylinders are in everyone's house, but no one knows what are these numbers written on every cylinder. Actually, these numbers indicate the date of physical test of any cylinder. That is, a cylinder gets damaged due to overuse, which makes it mandatory to test it. Each letter denotes a quarter of a year followed by a number that denotes the year. A for January to March. B for April to June. C for July to September. D for October to December. For example, in the above cylinder, the number A29 is written, which indicates it will expire physically between January and March 2029. Here the number 29 from A29 indicates the year 2029 and has to be pulled out for mandatory testing during this period. In India, if a gas cylinder blasts during the cooking of food, then the gas agency is liable to pay Rs 50 lakh, i.e. $66,000 to the victim. And the last but not least is, the great scientist Nikola Tesla, also called Master of Lightning, has some brilliant inventions that was destroyed. In this, the first one is Tesla's earthquake machine. It means it is the Tesla's electromechanical oscillator is a stream-powered electric generator. Later in life, Tesla claimed one version of the oscillator caused an earthquake in New York City in 1893, gaining popular culture title, Tesla's earthquake machine. Second, electric-powered supersonic airship. It transmitted wirelessly from the power plants on the ground, eliminating the need for aircraft's fuel. Wow, great, such a beautiful creativity. Third, artificial tidal wave. In 1907, the New York World reported on another of Tesla's military innovations in which wireless telegraphy would trigger the detonations of high explosives at sea to generate tidal waves, so vast that they would capsize entire enemy fleet. And the fourth one is death beam. The death beam was a theoretical practice beam or electromagnetic weapon first theorized around the 1920s and 1930s. And the last and important is wireless electricity. Friends, once imagine what if there would be no wire for passing current but only passing wirelessly like internet. The lots of tons of metals are saved and there would be lot of development in electric sector and some of other electricity dependent sectors too. And most of us don't know about this great scientist. If he would be live for some more days, he might have invent wireless electricity. A huge respect to Sir Nikola Tesla. Okay friends, now we will have quick recap of today's topics. Today we have discussed some brilliant questions. In that first one we have discussed a big question, that is why there is no diesel bike. In that we found some reason behind it, like it is full of cost and it produces more sound and vibrations. And the second one we discussed is why there are bumps to the soft drinks bottles. In that we have discussed some reasons behind it, like bumps will control the pressure in the bottle and also it will help in not to blast the bottle when it is fell down. And the third one is why there is numbers on the cylinder. In that we have discussed some reasons, like it will indicate the physical test of any cylinder and it will show the year and month of expire. And the fourth one is why does milk overflow when boiled, while water does not. In that we discussed some reasons behind it, like the top creamy layer will stop to evaporates milk, so it will overflow, and when it is come to water, as it is don't have any layer to stop to evaporation, so vapors escape. That is the reason water will not overflow. And last but not the least, that is we have discussed the 5 inventions of Nikola Tesla that are destroyed. In that first one is earthquake machine. Second one is electric powered supersonic airship. Third one wireless electricity. Fourth one death beam. Fifth one artificial tidal wave. Okay friends, how is this video? If you like this video, please share this to your friends and family and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you all.